Greetings, everyone. I have put together a little survey. You can click the link below down in the description to take this little survey. The whole idea behind this is to find out if you're really ready to build your alternative house, that it can point out some areas you might have overlooked or not considered. And, surveys can be kind of fun, so you can go through and click on all the various options and find out, are you ready? Is there something you may be overlooked? Because every now and then, regardless of how much planning we do, we find out that maybe, just maybe, we're not as ready as we thought we were. And with any building project, of course, planning is key. So I hope you guys find this useful. Again, click the link below in the description to find out more. And also, if you like this sort of thing and want to stay up to date, click the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified when new releases come out. You can also join our email list to receive a lot of useful and helpful free information. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.